I am going to use WebStorm. You type in WebStorm and you go to the website. Now, it is a company called JetBrains that created it. It's a wonderful IDE. You can download it either you're using Windows or Mac. Now, there is something a little bit special about WebStorm, and that is it is actually paid for. But hold on, let us check the price. So if you go to the top and click on buy, you have the option of using the trial period. So you could actually use it for the trial period. But let's look at the price. Don't worry, it isn't $129. Click on individual use and click on monthly billing. So for individual use, monthly billing is about $6 per month. But if you don't want to use it, you can use it with the free period. You can use the trial period and check out if you like it. Or you can go ahead and use VS Code that we installed earlier. So we installed the program, and of course I'm ticking all these boxes. I move ahead and the installation moves on. I am asked to reboot my system, so I will.